If you're experiencing issues with the CS2 update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and restart it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. Locate the game's cache files and clear them. This can often resolve issues with updates by removing corrupted files. Check the game's settings or support documentation for specific instructions on how to clear the cache. Step 4. Disable background applications. Temporarily disable any background applications that may be using bandwidth or interfering with the update process. This includes VPNs, download managers, or other software that might be affecting your internet speed. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update continues to be stuck, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can ensure that you have the latest version and all necessary files are correctly installed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with the CS2 update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.